we go. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna solve this side first. Green. Alright, there we go, cross. Alright. That's one corner. That's that spot. There we go, that's another one. There we go. That's side finished. Alright, no it's not. That's not its rightful spot. Oh, fuck. Hey. Alright. Oh, still rubbish. Okay, where's white? Oh, fuck. This is not going to be under 8 minutes. Okay, fix this square. Fucking square. Where's white? There it is. Where's yellow? There it is. Where's orange? Where's orange? There we go. There we go. There it is. Now switch out the sides. Sides into their rightful spot. There we go. Alright, there we go. That's the bottom side finished. Okay. Next, let's go to this. Start putting out the left side. It's up, left, up, forward, backwards. There we go. Back in that spot. Alright, what's another spot? There we go. Right there. It's the right side. Up, right, up. There we go. Another spot is to the right, right. There we go. And one more spot is right there. Right. There we go. Alright. Now we got this line. Alright, find a good spot where this goes to. There we go. There we go. Perfect. There we go. We got it across. That's what we want. Alright, now find which spot this matches up best with. Fucking A. There we go. There we go. Those two. Those two. Right up. Right up. Right. There we go. File up to line all the centers up. See? Alright? Okay. Now find the ones in the right corner. This one. Alright, keep in the right-hand side. Wait, check to see. Okay, they're not. Not up, right, up, left, up, right, up, left. Alright, now they're all in the rightful spot. No, they're not. Do it one more time. Done.